You want to try some peas? What do you think about peas? Hmm? Yeah. One more? What's wrong? You don't like them? Yeah, maybe the third bite will be better. Taste. No, try and push it away. Let's try. No, you don't want to? You don't like peas? It's good for you. Get your greens. Don't like them? Still eating them though. You trying to push them away? No, don't slap them out of my hands. Ah. Ah. You're making them eat them on them. You don't like peas? You want some sweet potatoes? You like those. Oh, don't grab the spoon. Let go. Let go. Thank you. Let's clean up this mess. Alright. That wasn't so good? No? Okay, bye-bye.